What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the yellow screen on your Redmi 13. So to fix this yellowish screen, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now in display and brightness, scroll down and here tap on reading mode, and then you will see a reading mode button. So if you want to fix this yellow screen, then tap on this reading mode button to turn it off, and after turning off this reading mode button your screen will be fixed. So that's how you can fix yellow screen on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.